Welcome. If you've been missing updates from Snapchat Discover or just want a quick way to see when new stories are available, enabling app icon badges is a simple fix. Those little notification dots on your app icon can make a big difference, especially when you don't want to open the app constantly to check for updates. Let's walk through how to turn on app icon badges specifically for Snapchat Discover Stories notifications. Start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level controls live, including how apps send you notifications. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. Once you're inside the app settings, you'll see several options related to permissions and notifications. Tap on Notifications. This section controls everything about how Snapchat alerts you, from sounds to banners and badges. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat breaks down its notifications into different types, so you can customize each one individually. Look for Stories in Discover and tap on it. This category specifically handles notifications related to content in the Discover section. Finally, toggle on App Icon Badges. Once this is enabled, you'll start seeing a badge on your Snapchat app icon whenever there are new Discover Stories updates waiting for you. That's it. Now you won't miss out on trending stories, updates from your favorite creators, or breaking content in Discover. It's a small tweak, but it keeps you connected without needing to constantly check the app. If this helped you, consider checking your other notification settings too. Fine-tuning them can really improve how you stay updated without feeling overwhelmed.